We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up USD, JPY. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle. Look like it's coming from an area of support. So we do have price action, overall, higher highs, price action, overall, lower lows, midpoint. Also adding second level lows and third level lows. So let's see, zoom in the price to see what's going on. So price action is current price is at 137.503. So market does push up to the next area. We are looking for price to head up to the next level, which would be near 144.234. And if market price works its way down, market can be headed back to the previous numbers of 126.208. So let's take a look at what's going on at price. So as I said before, price action on the monthly time frame is a bullish green candle. It has an area of support with a long wick down to that bottom, tagging a previous area. So there's a pattern forming. If that market's going to work its way up for that incline, we are looking for that coming down in red is the first leg, second last candle is the third leg. Price action is currently the fourth leg for the breakout. So price action is trying to break this resistance area. If we receive that break, we can receive that bullish green candle to consistently push up further. May identify some type of doji or retest for that market to work its way up to that next level as we identified. Also, the market may drop because the second last candle does have a bearish red candle to it with a long wick. So we run into that area of resistance. So if so, coming up in green is the first leg, second last candle. Price action, third leg. If we receive a pattern that can engulf the price action and second last candle, it may have to engulf some of that price action bottom of that wick or identify a nice pattern. It will identify as a double top. And then once that market breaks that midpoint of that area, we're probably looking for a pattern to identify itself, or maybe a break and retest for price to head back to previous numbers of 126.208. Or that market can consolidate within the areas of price action, second last candle, and some of third last candle. Walking down to weekly time frame, price action on the weekly time frame is a bullish green small candle, pressed down to the bottom of that candle as well, so it created some area of support, so market could be pushing up to the next level. So on a weekly time frame, if market does push up to the next level, it can be headed up near 138.371. And if that market does come down from that area, market can head down back to the previous numbers of 133.567, or it can just stay within that area, so it'll be in that area of consolidation. So let's see if that market does push up, what pattern can be formed, and if that market comes down, what pattern can be formed as well. So that market work its way up. There's coming from a pattern, multiple pushes with the second, third, fourth, the last candles of the market, a whole bunch of wicks down here that created the area of support. So coming down is red is the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So we have that formation, that W formation below price action. But if you think about that price action area of high and low, you create that midpoint in the middle, you can see price action broke. Price second last candle broke, and price action is a retest of its respective markets coming from a double bottom and a retest. So or that market can just receive that rejection at the area here. So we'll be coming down for that decline M, which we identify as the first, second overall, third leg overall, looking for a pattern to identify itself for the drop, and the market's coming down from a double top. On a daily time frame, we have price action on a daily time frame as a bullish green candle coming from an area of consolidation with the second, third, fourth, and fifth, and some of the sixth to last candle in the market. It's also identifying a multiple retest. So let's talk about it. At that low, we do have that structure of the what? That first, second, third, fourth. Okay, so market broke that previous area, came back to retest twice, and it's trying to push up. If we receive a bullish green candle towards the second last candles, as we do see, we definitely want to see something engulf the fourth to fifth last candle of the market to close out above this resistance line to push that market further up to the next level, which be near 138.849. So we can see price actions lined up right with that resistance. So we're going to see as we walk down the time frame what that market doing. If it doesn't break that area, it's just going to come down from a double top first, second, third. Still looking for an engulfment pattern to the downside. If so, market's identifying that double top in that area. 4-hour time frame, price action just pushed up a little bit with a small bullish green candle. Still has more momentum to go, coming from a second last candle with that area of support at the bottom. So market can still work its way up, but it ran into that resistance line. So we have to wait for that market to do what it do. On a 3-hour time frame, same as well. Price action second last candle, still in that area as that resistance line, still haven't broke out yet. 2-hour time frame, same as well. Now we got 4 pushes to that top price, second, third, and fourth last candle. Market tagged that area 4 times. 1-hour time frame, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touches to that top. So what happened with that area is we did receive multiple pushes, like a triple bottom here. Once the market pushed up, it retested one and it just pushed up and consolidated sideways. So still waiting for that market to do what it do. 45 minutes as well. So market broke up, retest, pushed up, and has worked its way sideways. If we do receive a bearish engulfment area candle, market's coming down from that double top first, second, third, and we see that double top formation. So previous market can head back to the previous levels near 136.477, and that's on the 45-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame, same as well. 15-minute time frame, same as well. See that huge consolidation with the last, maybe like 10-15 candles in that area. So we're still looking for that pattern to see if it's going to second leg, third leg, and push down for that fourth eventually, or it could just be respected for that first, second, third, and the market pushed up for that double bottom within that area. So price action and a few candles before that is all consolidating, and that's on the 15-minute time frame, the 30-minute time frame. Now we on the 5-minute time frame, we're seeing the same thing. Market is consolidating sideways. We have some support levels with some candles. Price actions of support. There's bearish candles of support. So it's showing that market is still working its way up for that resistance. Unless we see something happen on the opposite side. But if you connect these areas of supports together and you just connect the top, you can see that market is just bouncing up and down in that wedge pattern. Okay, so you view that on Forex pattern cheat sheet, click on images so you can have an idea what the market's going to do. On the 3-minute time frame, same as well, still getting that consolidation, still in that area. Market just spiked that area near that resistance line with the fourth and fifth to last candle. So we can see if it's going to do a double top in the area, drop down to at least the midpoint, as it's already tagging that midpoint with the price action. So we're still waiting for the candle to engulf. 1-minute time frame, still reading the same thing, still side by side. Guys, please study Forex pattern cheat sheet, very important information. Breakout and retest strategy. Click on images. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. USD, JPY.